Hello, my name is Patel, and imagine you are conducting a science experiment, and it contains the use of a hot plate. What would happen if you made the slightest contact with the hot plate while it was turned on? As soon as you make the slightest of contacts, you'll have a reflex to move your hand away. You have reflexes of electromagnetic signals in your brain. Your brain is part of the nervous system. The organs of the nervous system are the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain is made up of different parts that control different actions. The brain sends signals all over your body to the nerves. This is why you have reflexes. There are two parts of the nervous system: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system contains the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system contains all the nerves outside of the brain. The peripheral nervous system is further divided into the autonomic nervous system and the somatic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is the involuntary part, and the somatic nervous system is the voluntary part. The autonomic nervous system has two divisions: the sympathetic division and the parasympathetic division. The fight or flight response comes from the sympathetic division, and the rest and digest response comes from the parasympathetic division. A fight or flight response comes when you're in danger. Your heartbeat increases, you will be faster and stronger for the time being. Rest and digest is the entire opposite. When resting, you will slow, and your digestion will become faster. There are three kinds of neurons: interneurons, sensory neurons, and motor neurons. Interneurons are contained in the spinal cord. Going back to the example of touching a hot plate, it affects other human body systems as well. Your integumentary system is also affected by this. The integumentary system is the outermost layer of your body. Its largest organ is your skin. The other organs include hairs, nails, sweat glands, and oil glands. The purpose of the system is to protect the body from injury. The purpose of the skin is to act as the first line of defense for injury. Skin has three different parts: the epidermis, dermis, and the subcutaneous layer. Nails protect the toes and fingers it is placed on. Hair helps cool body temperature. Sweat glands either cool or heat the body. The integumentary system is also affected by touching the hot plate. The skin is about to be burned, so its nervous system's neurons tell it to move. The integumentary system can't move on its own. That's why this example also involves the muscular system. The purpose of the muscular system is to give the body shape and make the body move. The organs of the system are tendons, ligaments, and muscles. Tendons connect muscle to bone. Ligaments connect two bones. Muscles are the part that let the muscular system have movement. Muscular system is involved in touching the hot plate because when the nervous system tells the integumentary system to move, the integumentary system gets the muscular system to move. All of these communications between the systems happens almost instantaneously. Even though all of these systems help us, it can go wrong, even though it rarely happens. The nervous system can have a mistake whenever, if you hit your head hard enough, your personality can change. The integumentary system can have diseases such as skin cancer. The muscular system can have a disease known as muscular dystrophy. All of these will be treated soon enough with how fast technology is going. Skin cancer can be treated with special creams, and muscular dystrophy can be treated with physical therapy. The example of the hot plate shows how all the human body systems work together to help you live a great, healthy life.